Hey everyone, great news. This is the Fundacion Mujer, and it is an organization in Costa Rica that helps women. As you know, I teach a lot of classes, political violence, etc. And this great organization tries to integrate migrants from Nicaragua, Venezuela, other countries into the system so they are less vulnerable to abuse. And this is one of the NGOs that are very, very important for society and to make the world a better place. And we're going to do some research on different kinds of NGOs, which you would like to. Oh, 36 years. Thank you very much. 36 years of working with people, particularly Fundacion Mujer, that really help society in the developing world. And that's me, Charles Ripley, coming out. Oh, let's look at some of their awards. They've won many, many different awards. Europeans, things, even the gringos. All right. So can NGOs make a better world over the private sector? That's what we're going to discuss.